All right, so today we're going to look at how to play the major of any chord given, the formula to play the major, as well as the formula to play the minor of any chord given. So let's take, for instance, you have C major chord as your chord to play in a chord chart. What you need to do is locate C. C is the first white key before the two sets of black keys. So when you locate C, you have to count 4 semitones to the third, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. You place your third finger, and 7 semitones to the fifth. Since we're already at 4, so we're gonna have 5, 6, 7. You place your fifth finger, and that's put together as your C major chord. Okay, I can just play this here at the left hand, still on C. All right, so if you want to get the minor of that same chord, so the C major chord can be C minor by just reducing or flattening the third. So what do I mean by flattening? To flatten the third means to go one step backward, which is a semitone backward. So that's what C minor is. So once you've gotten your major, to get the minor is very easy. Just return the middle finger, which is the third, whichever finger you're using, return the third a step backward, and that's your minor. So let's pick another key. Take, for instance, your F sharp. You want to get the F sharp major chord. All you need to do is place your thumb on F sharp, and you have to count how many semitones? 4 semitones before you place the second finger, which is your third. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that will give us what? The third. Then since we're already at the fourth one here, we have 5, 6, 7. So that's where you place your. So this is your F sharp major chord. And to get your F sharp minor chord, all you need to do is to flatten the third, which means go a step downward, a semitone backward. And the sound will also sound differently. So this is major, and this is minor. And that put together, you've been able to learn how to play major chord and minor chord. It's so easy, and it's so easy like that. So just count 4 semitones from the root. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since you're already on 4 here, just go 5, 6, 7. And once you've done this before, you don't need to start counting it every time you want to play your F sharp major. So just try to work on memorizing the shape. This is your F sharp. This is your F sharp, sorry about that. And this is your C major. So this is your C minor. This is your F sharp. This is your F sharp minor. So it's as easy as that. Let's pick one more chord before we end this. Let's take, for instance, G. What do we do? Count 4 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where you're going to put the third. And since you're already on 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is your G major chord. And your G minor, so easy like that. So what do you do to play major? From the root, 4 semitone to the third, and 3 semitone again till you land to the fifth. So 1, 2, 3. All together, G major chord, G minor chord, C major chord, C minor chord, F sharp major chord, F sharp minor chord. Thank you very much, and God bless you.